I'm Tim Armand, Business Development Manager for the OEM channel for accreditation Security Solutions. It's been our strategic position now for some years to link all our product development with British and European standards to try and benchmark and push forward development into the market. The culmination of this has been that all our development work is with systems and door sets into specific markets. We've come today to the ASRABLOY UCAS accredited test lab to test the development work we've done with Total Glass Limited for a communal entrance door with access control to PAS23 and PAS24, so performance testing and security testing. What we've got in the test here is a robust designed door using a low opening force cam motion closer, which will be cycle tested through to the 50,000 cycles required under PAS23, and also two 1391 solenoid bolts giving the security and access control. This door set's had to go through quite a rigorous development cycle because of the harsh environments that it's used in. It will be attacked both by potential residents and people who want to get in, meaning that the door has to be secure and robust in the open position as well as the closed position. Essentially, the test will revolve around each one of these locking points, the three hinges and the two access control points, being put into torsion by pulling the door away from the closed position and then loading it with 4,500 newtons in the direction of opening. Each locking point will be tested in turn. Assuming there are no failures, it's then changed into a rig to have a dynamic load test, which is a 30 kilo medicine ball dropped from a prescribed height 3 times into pre-prescribed areas on the door. Then you have a hard body impact, which again is a metal ram, which is dropped from a prescribed height into different parts of the door frame to check that if somebody were to run at the door or hit it with a hammer, it would remain intact. The 1391 solenoid bolt, which Total Glass have used in this door set, provides an economic way of securing the door through using access control. This has been independently tested in a rig, loading 16mm stainless steel bolt to 13.1 kilonewtons, which is quite a phenomenal load. Although it's only tested to 4,500 as part of PAS24 currently, towards the end of 2011 the standards will be changing to incorporate EN 1627 through to 30, the European standard, as part of a new and revised PAS24. The loading on there is likely to be increased to 6,000 newtons if you're going for security rating 3. So we're trying to future-proof this door set and this product by the independent testing to over 13,000. One of the other products that Total Glass was keen to incorporate in this door set is the DC860 cam motion closer, which, although it's not fundamental to the security testing under PAS24, will be absolutely imperative that it performs correctly as part of the PAS23 testing, which will require it to go through 50,000 cycles and then still open with a force of 50 newtons or less at the end of those cycles. As this door set is specifically designed for high usage communal entrances, we will anticipate it having to meet the requirements of Building Reg Document M. Even though that won't be the case in every door set, we have to again prove that this product can perform if necessary. Using the DC860 cam motion closer gives you the opportunity to adjust it through a variable spring between strength 1 and 5. So a door set like this, which weighs in excess of 140 kilos, can still be opened with very light opening force, but maintains the closing force that's required to get a door of this weight and mass closed and to hold onto the seal long enough for the locking to engage. It's also worth noting that even though this door set has undergone full PAS24 testing already, it still operates perfectly well, which in a social housing situation where people still need to come and go, even in the middle of the night, it would still continue to operate without any need for immediate maintenance, thus keeping the building secure and the occupants safe.